Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're exploring a projector that's built for serious performance, reliability, and professional environments. If you're looking for a display solution that can handle bright rooms, large screens, and long hours of operation, the Sony VPL-FHZ65 is definitely a model worth looking at closely. This projector is designed around Sony's advanced laser projection system, which immediately separates it from traditional lamp-based projectors. Instead of using a lamp that gradually fades and needs replacement, this projector uses a laser light source that delivers stable brightness for thousands of hours. That means less maintenance, lower long-term cost, and more consistent image quality over time. One of the biggest highlights here is brightness. The Sony VPL-FHZ65 produces an impressive 6,000 lumens. In practical terms, that means the image remains bright and clearly visible even in rooms with lights on. In conference rooms, lecture halls, training centers, or event spaces, brightness is critical. A projector that struggles with ambient light can make presentations difficult to read, but this one easily cuts through that problem. Resolution is another key strength. The projector features WUXGA resolution at 1920 by 1200 pixels, which is slightly taller than standard Full HD. The 16:10 aspect ratio gives more vertical space on the screen, which becomes extremely useful when displaying spreadsheets, documents, or presentation slides. Instead of squeezing content onto the screen, you get a bit more room to work with. Sony's image processing technology also plays a big role in the viewing experience. Colors appear balanced and natural, and fine details remain sharp even when the screen size becomes very large. Charts, graphics, and text stay clear, which is essential for professional presentations where readability matters. Another benefit of laser technology is the startup speed. Many traditional projectors take time to warm up before reaching full brightness. With the laser system used in the VPL-FHZ65, the projector powers on much faster. This means meetings and presentations can begin almost instantly without waiting around for the display to stabilize. Installation flexibility is also built into the design. The projector supports ceiling mounting and includes lens shift adjustments that allow installers to fine-tune the image position without physically moving the projector. This is especially helpful when installing in conference rooms or auditoriums where the mounting position may not be perfectly centered. Connectivity options make it compatible with a wide range of devices. Multiple input ports allow easy connection to laptops, video sources, presentation systems, and other AV equipment. This versatility makes the projector suitable for corporate environments, universities, training facilities, and even houses of worship. Another area where this projector shines is reliability. Professional projectors are often expected to run for hours every day, sometimes continuously during events or conferences. The laser light source in the Sony VPL-FHZ65 is designed to maintain brightness and performance over long periods without frequent servicing. Cooling is handled efficiently as well. Even though the projector produces strong brightness, the cooling system helps maintain a balanced operating temperature while keeping fan noise relatively controlled. This ensures the projector does not become a distraction during meetings or presentations. Although it's widely used in professional settings, this projector can also perform extremely well in large home entertainment setups. When paired with a quality projection screen, it can deliver a huge cinematic image that works great for movies, sports, and streaming content. The high brightness makes it easier to enjoy a large image even if the room is not completely dark. Another advantage of laser projection is consistent performance over time. With lamp projectors, brightness gradually drops as the lamp ages. Laser systems maintain a much more stable brightness level, allowing the projector to deliver reliable image quality throughout its lifespan. Energy efficiency is another factor worth mentioning. Sony engineered the system to balance brightness with efficient power usage, making it practical for organizations that rely on projectors every day. Overall, the Sony VPL-FHZ65 stands out as a powerful and dependable projection solution. It combines high brightness, clear WUXGA resolution, flexible installation options, and long-lasting laser technology into one reliable system. Whether used for business presentations, education, training environments, or large-screen viewing, it provides the kind of performance that professionals expect from a high-quality projector. If you're interested in getting this projector for your office, presentation space, or large viewing setup, you can check the purchase link available in the video description to see the latest price and availability.